Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, that's not my intro. But anyway, hey guys, today we're gonna be making fried chicken. It's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna show you guys the process in case you wanna do it too. Just watch this video. Enjoy. So we got everything sorted, the flour, the egg, chicken, and we're going to have that seasoning. Here's the flour, here's the egg, here's the chicken, and then the seasonings are here. Oh my god! Let's get ready! Okay, so here it is.
What do you rate?
Best thing I've ever had. Out of 10? It tastes exactly like KFC though. Why have KFC? You have KFC at home. I rate it 10 out of 10. Do this, I recommend. Use paprika, chili flakes, chicken powder, salt, and then you're done. It's so good. Make sure to season it, and this is amazing. Thank you, Sata. It's like teamwork.